Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with Teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the volume of a hemisphere step by step. Make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So the volume of a hemisphere would be 1/2 multiplied by the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now if you don't know how to find the volume of a sphere, make sure you click on this thing that pops up right now. Now let's get to it guys. Alright, so in this question we have the radius as 7 centimeter, right guys? So it'll pretty much be 1/2 multiplied by 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 7 to the power of 3. Right guys, 7 to the power of 3. Now what we would have here is 1/2 multiplied by 4/3 multiplied by, now if we take the value of pi as 22/7, now we can simplify with 7, right? So 7 cubed will be 7 times 7 times 7, right guys? Now let's do some simplification so it makes our life that much easier. So 7 and 7 will simplify itself. Now 2 will change to 1 and this 4 will change to 2, right guys? So in the numerator what we have is 2 times 22 times 7 times 7 divided by 3. Now if I use the help of a calculator, I should have 49 divided by 3 should give us approximately 718.66 centimeter cube. Alright guys, now that is how we would find the volume of the hemisphere. Now let me give you one more example right here. Let's start off by writing the formula down. So the volume is 4/3 times 1/2 times pi r cubed, right guys? So when we talk about multiplication, however you swap the places, it will still be the same, right guys? So in this, what we will do is 4/3 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by pi multiplied by our r is 6 centimeter, so 6 to the power of 3, right guys? Now what we would have here is 4/3 multiplied by 1/2. Now in this question I'm going to take the value of pi as 3.14 multiplied by 6 times 6 times 6, right guys? Now if we use the help of a calculator, let's see what we have here. So 4 times 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 6 should give us approximately 2712.96, and in the denominator 3 times 2 will give us 6. So the final answer would be approximately 452.16 centimeter cube. Alright guys, so depending on the question you can take the value of pi as 22/7 or 3.14 unless it is stated in the question. And that is how you would find the volume of a hemisphere guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.